Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. On this episode we're heading over to Derek's house to get the car up on the lift and finish the exhaust out. We're going to get the exhaust up over the axles and out the back of the car, and hopefully if we have enough parts and bits and pieces we can get the cutouts put on and hooked up. So let's head over there and get to work. So guys, made it over to Derek's. He's just getting the 55. Gonna get fired up here. It's got the new motor put in it. Thing looks badass. Love the way that looks. There's what's left of the exhaust to install. It's been sitting over here at Derek's for probably 2.5 years. Once we got the exhaust and mufflers on, figured it's good enough. Had to order some V-bands, and then it worked, so screw it, we'll just do it when we can get to it. So the day has come to get to it. Let's get it over the axle and maybe get some cutouts on. As you can see from the gas tank there in the rear end, my tune is optimal. This could be a diesel with how much soot's under here. Looks good. This is where we're at so far on the passenger side. Got it looped around, everything's super tight to the gas tank. We had to dimple the frame slightly, or the exhaust to clear the frame right there. It's going to be close to the tire, but that's the only place it could run. But it's got good room everywhere else. Alright, well, now to make this side match that side. And I might clean that a little bit too. Got the exhaust all wrapped up. Thanks to Chad for hooking us up with the U-bend. Saved the day, so we were able to get that done. Got the tank halfway cleaned up, got all the crap off of it. We'll be doing the cutouts straight off of here, but just don't have time to finish that up, so that'll be a another day, another project. So there they are. I think they turned out pretty sweet. For being a kit that's supposed to bolt right in, sure did take a lot of cutting and welding. But they're nice and tucked up. Alright guys, got the Chevelle back home. Didn't get everything done we wanted to, just ran out of time. Everything takes longer than it should. Ran short on parts, had to go scrounge some up, which is difficult to do on a Sunday. But all in all, got the exhaust on. It sounds a hell of a lot different in the car, a little bit different outside. It's a little quieter actually. So yeah, hopefully maybe next weekend we will get the cutouts put on and finish up that project. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. We'll see you on the next one.